Uh, Good morning, everyone. Parents are one of the most important stakeholders in child's education. So, school and parent they actually share a common responsibility of nurturing a child into a responsible and successful individual. So today in the studio we have with us Ms. Chanchal Sharma. She is a mother of one of our very favorite student, Ojaswit Upmanyu. So we would like to share some question and answers with her. So, ma'am, how are you doing today?
I'm good at present. I'm here with you.
Yeah. So, ma'am, my first question with you will be like, what is the biggest challenge you face helping your child with you right now?
इन दिस डे एक्चुअली में जब बच्चे ग्रूमिंग एज में होते हैं तो हार्मोन्स चेंजेस आते हैं एंड दे आर नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि पेरेंट्स उनको क्या करने कर रहे हैं या व्हाट इज द गुड फॉर दैम व्हाट इज द बैड फॉर दैम द बिगेस्ट इशू इन दिस डे बेसिकली अबाउट मे बी बिहेवियर यू कैन से हर कोई बच्चा इन दिनों में हो जाता है कि आपकी एक्सेप्टेशंस और डिजायर चाइल्ड से बढ़ जाती हैं जैसे जैसे बड़ा होने लग जाता है एंड चाइल्ड इज नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि पेरेंट्स की डिजायर क्या है एक्सेप्टेशन क्या है और इवन पेरेंट्स आर नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि बच्चे हम लोगों से क्या चाहते हैं तो ये थोड़ा सा बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम फेस है इसे
This can be related to a little bit of age-related issues.
you
You can
can
say
say
teenagers.
100% you can say it's a danger issue.
Okay. So, how has your child's learning style changed since you were a student? आपके टाइम में कैसा था and what do you think?
Lot of change in this day. When I was a student, तो I mostly saw कि अगर parents ने हमें बोला you have to complete this work, तो till evening we are ready to complete our work. In this day, the gadgets are playing an important role. Media is playing an important role. When we are in our childhood, we are not familiar with any kind of gadget, any kind of TV, remotes, and that things are very familiar in this day. So this is the biggest difference because first we go through the study, the rectification process, but in a modern days, bacha do and then he learn.
Yeah.
And in our time, we just bookish knowledge. And in this day, we are providing different kind of knowledge to child, even their school, teachers, parents. So a lot of change in the education system today.
There you feel the differences
There
there.
are a lot of differences.
Okay. So, what is one thing that you will wish someone has told you before your child has started the school?
My wish that he's first he achieve a good education, a kind person, a good human being, moreover a responsible person. Education is purposely for grade system, but I think when your child you push to school, you send to school, expectation is he is a kind person, he's a good human being, he serve the society, he serve the nation, he do learn good deeds. All this has ये मुझे लगता है almost parents की यही desire
Common,
होती है, common desires होती है.
right. And how do you balance your work life with your child's education?
My work basically I'm a clinical psychologist plus astrologer. So I have learned a lot of things with a different childs. When someone concerned me, when someone asked me, so this same situation I'm usually handle very easily.
Actually.
Because basically the problem which I am facing today, my client already faced that kind of situation. So I'm comfortable to understand better my child. What is going surrounding him, what is going in the society, what is the mental pressure.
Yeah.
All this is easily able to understand.
But your work life, how do you balance that with his?
It's easy to balance because I sent him in a hostel. So this is the biggest thing for me all time. I'm not focused him is he's going school, he's doing his work or not. First of thing, I sent him in a hostel, and it's great. I think way for me, biggest supporting system. And whenever he closer to me, when vacation he get back to me, he helped me in doing my work.
Yeah.
if I'm taking my classes, so I ask him, "Oh, please, Ojasvi, do such a work for me. I'm taking
Right.
my class. I'm handle with my client." So he take care of the even household. He help me to doing my
Okay.
household.
So do you think these are because of he is a part of residential school, so he is more comfortable in doing that?
Exactly. The biggest thing, residential school build a basic things in him. Responsibility, I think, which is the biggest requirement of a child. When he start
Right.
to understanding his responsibility,
Yeah.
in your residential school, you teach child to maintain your dress, clean your room, maintain your bag, dress up very well.
Yes.
So these are the basic things which help me a lot to uh, work out on my place. He did a lot of his work himself,
Yes.
and all this quality, मैं कहूँगी quality, these quality are maintained by your school. Like he's a disciplined, a responsible, and kind person.
Yes.
He understand how to deal according to situation.
Right.
Very smart. I think all about
You think that was a
him.
correct decision that you took when you
100%.
thought of
Even
sending
I
him to a
suggest
boarding
every
school
parents
Yeah.
send your child 1 to 2 years in a residential
in
school
residential?
because he learn responsibility. He learn how to behave with the society, how to behave with the people. He learn caring because जब बच्चा एक मदर से फैमिली से दूर रहता है और थोड़ा टाइम भी इनके लिए आता है तो अटैचमेंट ही फील अटैच्ड विद द पेरेंट्स लिमिटेशंस है
No doubt.
बेसिकली कि मुझे इतने मुझे उठना है तो ये चीज़ें मेरे सराउंडिंग में मुझे बताई गई हैं
Right.
तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं तो हर पेरेंट्स को मुझे लगता है एटलीस्ट 2 इयर्स के लिए बच्चे को हॉस्टल में ज़रूर डालिए टू पॉलिशिंग हिमसेल्फ
Yes.
जो उसकी ग्रूमिंग होगा जो स्किल होगा वो इनहेंस होके आएगा इवन आई पुट माय एल्डर वन टू इन अ हॉस्टल
Okay. So, like starting from the day when he's waking up till he's going to the bed, he's responsible for all the things that he's
all
doing.
things even study
Yeah,
first
yeah.
when he stay with me at home all the time I'll just go for a tuition do your homework have you did your classwork or not maintain your copy
Yeah.
so now he know that these are proper work which I have done these are my class work this is my homework this is my assignment
Yes.
so he did himself
Yeah. So now he's become more responsible, more sincere about the things. He knows what are his priorities.
you can say he understands his priority
Yeah.
what is the best for him this is that
Okay, okay. And ma'am, what keeps you up at night when it's something related to your child's education? Like, what are you mainly worried about?
I'm
When you think-
basically in this day I'm worried about 10th board exams it's the biggest fear to me not only me will even all parents जिनका भी बच्चा 10th standard या 12th में है the reason behind this CBSE changes pattern within 2 and 3 years
Yes.
कोई नया सा पैटर्न आता है इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती है एंड चाइल्ड बेचारा जो बच्चा है वो है ना एक लेबोरेटरी बन गया है कि चलो भैया टेस्ट कर लेते हैं इज इट ओके और नॉट और दैट इज द बिगेस्ट फेयर बिकॉज 10th स्टैंडर्ड एकेडमिकली अगर आपके मार्क्स आते हैं वो आपका फ्यूचर डिसाइड करते हैं इवन बच्चे कभी कभी कहते हैं कि पेपर कैन नॉट डिसाइड माई फ्यूचर बट आई बिलीव अब पेपर इज ऑलवेज डिसाइड योर फ्यूचर कि आपके मार्क्स क्या हैं उसके बिहाफ पे आपकी जो स्ट्रीम्स हैं वो चूज की जाती हैं कौन सा कॉलेज आपको मिलना है कौन से एकेडमिक तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं ये फेयर है ना कि कैसा रिजल्ट रहेगा बच्चे का परफॉर्मेंस कैसी रहेगी एकेडमिकली कैसा जाना है कहाँ उसको एडमिशन मिला है जनरली फेयर जो हर एक पेरेंट्स को होता है एज अ पेरेंट्स आई एम फेसिंग इन दिस
Okay, okay. So, thank you so much, ma'am.
ओके
And we really wish him a very good luck. And by the time he completes his education from Birla Public School, Pilani, he will be nurtured into a responsible and a very successful, good human being.
ओके थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच
you.
मैम आई होप सो
Yeah.
थैंक यू